Here is lesson 40 for trumpet. We will play numbers 92, 93, and 94. Alright, there's a couple of new things on here. One, sharp sign. If you've been keeping up with your scales, you already know about sharps and you know what to do with them. You know a sharp will raise a note a half step. Do you need to know what a half step is yet? No. All you need to know about it is it's the smallest distance we can travel between notes. So F up to F sharp is a half step. Alright? You also know about your key signature. This is not something new to you because you've been doing your scales. So you know about a key signature. You know that you need to check for your key signature at the beginning of every line of music. Alright? So let's play number 92 with our F sharp that we just went over. Okay? Let's buzz it. Here's your first note. Alright, here we go. Number 92. 1, 2, ready. Alright, now go back and play it with me. And then we'll move on to number 93. Okay, let's buzz 93. You've already looked at your key signature. You know that you have F sharps, which are second finger, second valve. Now, if it's hard to remember to play an F or an F sharp, there's a couple things you can do. One, you can look at lesson, I believe it's 17.5, that goes over how to mark your music. Okay? You can write a sharp just to the left of those Fs like it's done on line 92, or underneath it or above it, depending on where it is in the music, you can write a 2. That way you know you're using second valve. Okay? Let's buzz 93. Here's your first note. And 1, 2, ready. Now, as always, go back and play it with me. Please do not just buzz or just play it with me. Do both always, or else you're not going to be getting what you need out of these lessons. Before we go on to 94, let's talk about our code phrase. Our code phrase, found in the top of your page, is half step. For instance, a sharp raises a note a half step. Alright, number 94. I don't need to explain first and second endings because you've done enough of these lessons that you know how to do those and you've already looked through, so you know that they're there. Here's your F sharp. Let's buzz this. And 1, 2, ready. Sorry about that. I was looking too far ahead. Alright, that was lesson 40. Thanks for joining me.